Good morning, chemistry students. Welcome to the second day of remote learning. Before we begin with what you're going to be doing today, I want to go over some quick things through Canvas. You can see in my screen that I am in my dashboard. I'm going to click on chemistry. When I enter my chemistry class, I see your long links. We have Microsoft Teams meetings. This is where you'll find your link to join me in the Teams meeting during your class period. For example, period 3, you guys will join me from 10:20 a.m. to 10:55 a.m. by clicking this link. Just if you don't know this already, English and math are the only live classes. Every other class, and AP, all other classes you will have your assignments for the day, videos, all that loaded at 9 a.m. and you have until 4 p.m. to submit all your assignments. If you fail to do that, well, you're not going to get credit or attendance. So this time is like office hours. I'll always be there. You join me if you have any questions, if you just want to talk to me, if you want to do your work and have me available right there just in case you have any questions at the moment. I'll be online with you like if you were in the classroom. Now let's go to home. I'm going to put it in student view so that you see how you would see this. Okay. Now scroll down. Today you are going to be going over the chemistry syllabus. Click on it. Oh, it's not available. Let me unlock it. Hold on. Okay, so when you click on the 2020-21 chemistry syllabus, it'll take you to this. You're gonna download the link. Before we do that, I want you guys to create a folder. And to do so, you're gonna see all my folders. I have a bunch of them. You're gonna right click, new folder, and you're gonna write chemistry. Everything that you save, you're gonna save in this folder. So let's go back. I'm going to, okay, so now you're back here, double click on this. First thing you're gonna do before we do anything else, you're gonna download it. You're going to go find the folder, chemistry, and you're going to save it into your folder, 2020-2021 chemistry syllabus, save. Now, whenever you need to go back to find your syllabus, you go to your folder and you'll find it right in there. So, my name is Miss Papa. I will be in room 232 when you come back September 8th. If you ever need me and it's time sensitive and I have not responded to your emails, you can call or text my Google Voice number, 729-386-2590. My school email is rpopup@hsd2.org. So welcome to Chemistry at Sierra High School. I'm so excited to have you in this class this year, even if we are in remote learning. I had a lot of fun yesterday watching all your videos. And I have very talented students this year. In chemistry, we are supposed to, in a normal school year, to do labs and all that thing. So it's very important that you go through this syllabus. You signed it, like you know what you're getting into. So these are the general classroom expectations for face-to-face learning. You can go over that with your parents. Now, right now we're in remote learning. So your work will be posted daily, including participation for attendance. You are to complete your activities by 4 p.m. that day. I have more than 100 students. So it is very hard for me to go through every assignment for you to be marked present. That's why the only thing I look for when I do attendance is the DOL for the day. If you did not submit the DOL for the day, I will mark you absent. So make sure that you've completed all your assignments for the day and the DOL. They're two separate things. DOL will be for me to know your progress and for me to mark you absent. That's your attendance for the day and present if you complete it. The classwork, that's your grade for the class. So you need to complete both things if you want to pass the class. You're going to be using your laptop, and everything will be posted in Canvas. Make sure that your name is in all the things you submit, and you save everything in your chemistry folder. We use Microsoft Teams for communications. You already saw where the links are at in Canvas. You can join me every day during your class period, and you can do your work and have me there live in case you need any questions. These are your consequences, more for when we're in person. You need your laptop, pen, pencil. If you want to take notes, you can do so in a notebook. I'd rather you have a notebook than just papers everywhere. So for the weight of this class, the final is 15%, assessments are 25%, labs and projects are 20%. Hopefully we can do some labs when you come in following the safety guidelines. Classwork is 30%, participation is 10%. Everything will be posted in Infinite Campus. So Canvas might show you a grade. Disregard that grade. Your official grade is in Infinite Campus. Legwork will be accepted throughout the unit. So if in unit 1 and you forgot to turn in something, you can turn it in. You will get points deducted. But once unit 1 is over, I will no longer be accepting work from that unit. So you have until the last day of that unit to turn in late work. It does not mean that you're not going to get points deducted. You will. But after that unit is done, I will not accept any work from that unit. Then you can go over the homework classwork policy. Extra credit will only be given when I tell you that you have an extra credit opportunity, not whenever you want to tell me what can I do for extra credit. You need to be doing your classwork. Do not depend on extra credit to pass the class. Then you have an end of the year assessment, which is 15% worth of your semester grade. If you need to contact me again, you can do so by email, Microsoft Teams, Canvas, Google Voice number. There's a lot of ways to talk to me. So make sure when you have questions, you ask them. There is not a dumb question. All questions are valid. So when we come back, phones are not allowed in class. Make sure you take time to read this section. And then at the end, you will be asked to fill in these boxes with your period, student name, student signature, today's date, parent name, signature and date, and then the most up-to-date phone number that I can reach your parents for you, and your parent email. Okay, when you're done with this, again, you're going to save it again, and then you're going to go to submit assignment. I can't show you because I'm in student view. I don't know. When you click on submit assignment, you're going to upload it. You guys should be familiar with that. If you have questions, you can ask me, but it will be file upload, and then the window's going to open. You find your chemistry folder, and then you'll find your syllabus, and you attach it to your submission. Please. Okay, now last thing for today, not last thing, then you're going to have a discussion board on the importance of science. You click on that and you're going to read the passage and answer. Before you do that though, go to the year-long links, click on discussion board rules, and there's 15 rules for online discussion boards. Make sure you read them prior to submitting your post. Okay, now last thing, August 18th attendance DOL. This is what you need to submit before the period is over, or before 4 p.m. because at 4 p.m. I'm submitting attendance. I'm going to go over the DLLs, and that's what I'm going to go by to submit attendance. If you did all the other work and you did not submit your DLL, unfortunately, you're going to be marked absent. It's not because your classwork is not important. It is, because that's how you're going to get your grade. But I am asking you to please complete the DLL for attendance purposes, because that's what I'm going to be looking at for that part. Well, thank you for joining today. Have fun, enjoy the class, and I'm here for you if you need me.